Today is the back-breaking work of digging channels to connect all of the pillars together. This is the seismic requirements to keep this baby going in case of an earthquake. They're all totally connected and will not shift a foot over or a foot this way or over that way. These seismics are already installed over here. So with all of this will be done. Seismics will be finished, and then from there they're pouring one more and two more, and we're finished. From there we start moving up with the with all of the metal, what they call carriolas, 2x4s, actually 2x6s, put together into 4x6, all kinds of crazy stuff. It's going to be a strong roof. Awesome.